In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your name to the bottom of an email in Outlook. If you want your emails to look more professional and save time every time you write a message, adding a signature in Outlook is a simple and very useful step. A signature can include your name, and if you want, a little more information or even an image, depending on how you want your emails to appear. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to set it up. First, open Outlook on your device and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top area and click on View. This section gives you access to display and layout options, along with some settings that help customize your Outlook experience. After that, click on View Settings. This will open a settings panel where you can adjust different parts of the Outlook interface and account behavior. From there, find and click on Accounts. This is where Outlook stores options related to the email accounts you're currently using. Inside the Accounts section, click on Signatures. This is the area where you can create and manage the text that appears automatically at the bottom of your emails. Once the Signatures window opens, you'll be able to enter your signature in the text box provided. Now, type the signature you want to use. For example, you can enter your name so it appears at the end of every email. Keep it clear and professional, especially if you're using Outlook for work or business communication. If you want, you can also format the text so it looks neat and easy to read. You also have the option to add an image. This can be useful if you want to include something like a logo or another visual element in your signature. Just make sure the image is clean, appropriate, and not too large, so your emails still load nicely and look polished for the person receiving them. Once you're happy with how your signature looks, click Save. That will apply your changes and store the signature in Outlook for future use. And that's it. Your name and any other signature details you added can now appear automatically at the bottom of your emails in Outlook, making your messages look more complete and professional.